Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G41, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and tap here on the sound section. If you get muted ringtone by this way, here on the volume panel, just you have to swipe this dot with your finger to the right side, and that's it. But if you get here in your mute your ringtone volume by here, just switch it the sound to the none, you should go here to the phone ringtone section and just switch the none to the another notification or ringtone sound. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.